How to become a network engineer? With the modernization of each.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Generation, data agility and network design are booming. Employers are anticipating candidates with skills like network scanning and systems administration based on their technical and networking terminologies. The demand for network engineers or network administrator has surged in less than a decade. Experts predict that the workplace can continue to soak shortly as well. The industry is quite competitive as the demand for network engineers is increasing per day. You have to make your move fast to earn a reputed and respectful position as a job candidate. It is one of the best and most stable occupations one would wish to have. Companies are looking for highly trained network engineers to boost their systems. The recent case of the Pegasus virus has ruled out the effects of all existing crises. In such a case, the job of a network engineer becomes unmatched. They must deliver outstanding points and strategies to recover and restore all the vital data plus information. Thus, the job nature yet again becomes impeccable and abiding. What is a network engineer? You must be curious about what is a network engineer, or rather who is a network engineer. A network engineer or a network administrator is an IT professional whose job is to design, build and maintain the flawless performance of networks. They are mainly required for networks such as an intranet, extranet, LAN, local area network, and WAN, wide area network. If you secure your job as a network engineer in this flourishing industry, you will be accountable for the Association of Industry IT Operations. An IT network engineer undertakes the task of finding issues and resolving them with their resources. The network administrators will also benefit from enhancing network systems, hardware, software, and other relevant systems and performing disaster recovery plans. What does a network engineer do? Every business and company fed information to their computers. Depending on the company, a network engineer or network administrators must create, implement and administer networks, firewalls, routers, controllers, troubleshooting issues, etc. These are some of the key responsibilities a network engineer is supposed to do. 1. Maintaining and administering the computer's networks and associated computing devices such as hardware, software, configuration, etc. 2. To monitor and troubleshoot serious problems with separate strategies to deal with separate hurdles. 3. One of the primary jobs of a network engineer is to install firewalls, routers, proxy servers, and load balancers. Monitor and configure virus protection software and applications to detect fatalities and determine if any adjustments are required. 4. Protection of data, software, and network systems by implementing coordinated and well-planned security measures. Also, their work involves them replacing faulty hardware components when required. Network administrators have to schedule and keep up with the network updates and upgrades. 5. They have to work with external services and confer with the users and discuss the existing problems that need to be solved to ensure optimal network traffic. 6. Network engineers are required to coordinate network access and use for safe and secure network trafficking. They are also required to operate master consoles to monitor network systems and computer performance. 7. As network administrators, their main job is to maintain strict security and to perform disaster recovery plans and backups whenever data backups are required. They need to update their virus protection software and applications and implement new and improved network systems. These are the works of network engineers. The employers desire them. Becoming a networking engineer needs much dedication and effort to refine yourself. What are the requirements to become a network engineer? Getting a bachelor's degree in information technology with a networking engineering focus for entry-level network engineers is wise. It is essential to have the necessary educational qualifications to pursue network engineering. In addition, you must also possess a proficient understanding of all aspects of network engineering, such as designing, maintenance and implementation, network protocols, and bandwidth development. A more extraordinary company expects and demands stiff qualifications and skills. Earning an additional certification can be helpful to one. Some of the popular network engineer certifications out there would give off an excellent impression on your resume. One can receive a vendor-neutral certificate. This certification provides basic knowledge to candidates in the IT field who is pursuing network engineer or network administrators. The course has a proper schedule outlined, and the candidate needs to devote 5 to 6 hours to completion. If you secure your job as a network engineer in this flourishing industry, you will be accountable for the Association of Industry IT Operations. Below are some best certifications for network engineers provided by CompTIA listed below. 1. CompTIA A+. It is for beginners or entry-level candidates who would help their candidates to acquire basic knowledge and information regarding the IT field. After this certification, you can earn a more advanced certification that is CompTIA Network Plus. 2. CompTIA Network Plus. It is a follow-up certification to CompTIA A+. Most professionals deliver their advice not to take up A+ to attend Network Plus. CompTIA Network Plus validates its candidates in troubleshooting, implementing, and developing various devices. Apart from network engineering training, there is only one exam you need to excel in. 3. CompTIA Security Plus. This certification validates its candidates in networking security and IT security domain. This certification is highly sought and appreciated if one wants to be a network security engineer or cybersecurity network engineer. These are the basic certifications you need to opt for. To pursue network engineering, you need to opt and pursue additional credentials about a particular company and specific devices. This phase is where you have to decide which network engineer certification path you want to go for in the future. Explore CompTIA certifications. CompTIA A+ certification training from industry experts. Get CompTIA Security Plus training and earn the certification. CompTIA CASP Plus certification training online, live online and classroom. There are top network engineer certifications through which you can obtain your vendor-specific certification. Some of the best credentials are: 1. Cisco. Cisco products include routers, security, and software storage which Cisco network engineers need to know about. This certification provides to separate courses for both beginners and mid-level candidates. Cisco Beginners. This credential validates candidates for multiple transverse positions and can earn a high-paying salary. This course has no prior needs or essentials as it provides basic knowledge in the IT field. It must be kept in mind that the examinees must qualify for 2 exams to complete the certification. Cisco Mid-Level. This certification is a follow-up to CCIE, mostly an abbreviation for Cisco Certified Internetwork Expert. The advanced credential opens the path to several achievable tasks like DevNet Professional Career, delivering network-optimized data, and server standby issues. Aspirants must note that there are 2 examinations for them to complete to get this certificate. Cisco Certified Network Associate (CCNA) network engineers are versatile in their working schedules and deliver a perfect blend of mixed knowledge.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.